What kind of skin is it? It's a raccoon. Oh, is it a skunk?
It is a skunk.
Oh, it's a skunk. Let me see. I thought skunks were black. Oh, it is a skunk. Cool. See, I always thought they were black.
What?
The skunks. It's the deer. You're petting the deer. Hi, Mr. Deer. Thank you for
It's just a piece of wood.
giving your skin to science.
That is a, let me
It's
see,
a squirrel.
a rabbit.
It's a rabbit.
Don't put your fingers in there.
Alyssa.
See, it says please do not put fingers in cage.
Yeah, because he might eat you. It does say thank you. Good job. You're a good reader. He's thirsty.